All right, let's get started. What we're going to do right now is set up your establishment. Step 1. Open Establishment module. First of all, click on the Establishment module inside your HQ. You'll notice a blank organizational hierarchy. Here, because we don't have anything yet, let's create it together. Step 2. Let's tell Butter in what country we are located in. Click Add Node. A pop-up will appear for creating your organizational hierarchy. Set the level as country, and in the title, type your country. For this example, I'm selecting United States. Step 3. Let's tell Butter in what state we are operating in. Next, let's add the state. Click Add Node again. Set the level to state, and in the title, just enter your state name. Finally, let's add your city. Click Add Node one last time, set the level to city, and type the city you're operating in. And that's it. Your demographic setup is now complete. Good job! You've just told Butter where your business lives, country, state, and city. Now, let's bring it to life by adding your company details. Step 5. Holding Company. Head over to the Holding Company section. Click on Add Holding Company. Here, enter your company name. Select the company type. Add your website URL. Remember, this website will be printed on your bills. And finally, enter your company logo URL. This logo will also show up on every bill you print. Pretty neat, right? All right, now that our company is set up, it's time to move one step further. Let's create our outlet. On the left-hand sidebar, click on Outlets and then click on Add Outlet. Here's something important. Everything we enter here will be printed on your bill prints. So let's fill this carefully. First, the outlet name. This is what you're going to call your branch. Let's say Demo Outlet. Next is the contact number. This is your branch phone number, and it'll show up on your bills too. Then we have NTN. That's your national tax number. Just enter whatever your tax ID is. Now comes the outlet unique code. This code will be used later when you set up the POS device for this outlet. Make sure it's not too easy, but still something you can recall. For example, DO01. Enter the outlet address. This will also appear on your bill prints. After that, select the holding company we created earlier and then choose your outlet city. You'll also see an option for restaurant type. This doesn't change any functionality. It just helps you filter reports later. Next, select your base currency and set your time zone. Now, 2 important checks. The first one is Enable Multi-Device. If you've got more than one counter or order taker tablet, set this to Yes. But if you're running a single counter setup, keep it No. The second one is Enable Order Type Wise Item Mapping. If you have a different menu for dine-in and takeaway, select Yes. If you're using the same menu for all order types, just leave it No. Once these basic details are done, let's dig into some advanced configurations. Click on Next, and it will lead you to the integration page. This is basically where you can set up your integrations. For example, if you have an offline server, a digital menu, fiscal posting, or you're using Odoo ERP and want to integrate it with ButterPOS, you can manage it all here. If you don't have any integrations right now, simply hit Next and move forward to the next page, Outlet Timings. Here, you can add opening time, closing time, and even buffer periods. This will restrict users if they try to access the POS outside operational hours. And don't worry, in case you enter anything wrong, you can always come back and update the outlet settings later.